In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up and create an account on Remitly. To get started, open the Play Store on your device. This is where you can safely download the official Remitly app. Once you're in the Play Store, tap on the search bar at the top and type in Remitly. When the app appears in the search results, tap on it to open the app page. Take a quick moment to make sure you're selecting the correct app. Then tap Install and wait for the download to finish. Depending on your internet speed, this may only take a few seconds. Once the app has been installed, tap Open to launch it. When the app starts, look for the option that says Create New Profile and tap on that. This is the option you'll use if you're new to Remitly and want to set up an account from scratch. Next, the app will ask how you want to use Remitly. Read through the available options carefully and select the one that best matches your needs. This helps the app guide you through the most relevant setup process. After making your selection, tap Continue to move forward. The next screen will ask where you currently live. Choose your current country of residence from the list provided. This step is important because account features and verification requirements can vary depending on your location, so make sure you select the correct country. After that, you'll be given different ways to create your profile. Usually, you can continue using a Google account, an Apple account, or an email address. Choose the sign-up method that's most convenient for you. If you prefer a faster setup, using Google or Apple can make the process more streamlined. If you'd rather keep it separate, you can choose to sign up with your email address instead. From there, simply follow the prompts shown on your screen. The app will guide you through the rest of the setup process step by step. Just enter the requested details carefully and review everything before moving on to the next screen. It's always a good idea to double-check your information so your account can be created smoothly without delays. And that's it. Once you've completed the on-screen instructions, your Remitly account setup should be underway. Take your time during each step and make sure all your details are accurate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.